Hello everyone, I'm Angela Surya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, SNS College of Technology. Today I'm in front of you with a beautiful journey of mine in SNS institutions. I have come with the roadmap or the roadmap structure that we follow in our prestigious institution. I would like to say a few words or the aims of SNS institutions. I'm very proud to say that I'm one of the member of this family. So this institution is driven up by one's dream to nurture creators, inventors and world changers. But dreams and need directions and directions. So here we need a roadmap to follow that. That's when SNS RoadMap was born, a beacon that points every teacher and learners towards transformation through design thinking. So here, what is design thinking? So here, the design thinking is a way where we learn how we have to implement or what is the dream, what is the dream culture that we want our students to be followed. So here, in SNS institutions, we can say that creators and inventors are always welcomed. And next one is every student and teacher is always instructed to always form or have a clear direction towards your success journey. So I am very proud to be a beacon guided by SNS institutions. And we are guided by 5 guiding stars. One is learning, inspiring, transform, empower and lead. What are they? So here, learn. When it comes to learn, the teacher embraces curiosity, shedding all methods for creative explorations. And when it comes for inspire or inspirations, here, through passion, they awaken minds in classrooms and beyond. What is transformation? They turn classrooms into innovation hubs. And next is to empower. What is empowering? They build confidence in students, helping them discover their unique purposes. Lead or leadership skills, how we are maintained in students. That is, finally, they are emerged as mentors who shape future leaders. So, how as a teacher, I am being guided or I am guiding my students in the classroom. I always have the intention to make my students learn with curiosity. I always make sure that they learn with intentions. They should know where they are going to explore this in their real-time experiences. And next is to inspire. How I'm going to inspire the young minds, because nowadays a teacher's job is very difficult. That is, it is very hard to reach the students according to their needs. And next is the transformations. What is a transformation? Here in SNS institution, I proudly say that students are getting all the new technologies that they are needed in this present scenario or the world. So I'm very proud about it. And next one is empowering. So empowering is to build a student's confidence individually. Here we make sure that during DT hours in the morning sessions, we make sure each and every student get a chance to come to the front podium or to the dais and to make a clear explanation or give him confidence to guide him to be in leadership or to have an leadership skill or to come out of stage fears, or how to have an communication skill, or how to build his own body language. So this is what we empower students even through the small ideation of DT or the design thinking in the morning sessions to the students. And next one is leadership. Lead. How they are emerging their transformation from teachers to the students and to their future. And finally, here the mentors always are the backbones of the future leaders. And next one is how design thinking frame works. So here the design thinking frameworks are, it is always, as we know, it is 5 stages. That is empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. What is empathize? Here empathizing is how we are going to tell the students, that is how they are going to learn their day-to-day experiences in their classroom from their faculty members and from a designer of learning experiences. Empathizing with learners, define their needs, ideate creative strategies, prototype lessons, and test their impacts. That is what is a complete intention of design thinking that we are using it in our day-to-day class. So here, when I go within lecture ideas to the classroom every day, I have to make sure that I should be empathized where my students are going to use this, they are going to use this empathy in their day-to-day life. And I have to define it, I have to give them an ideation towards that, and the next the prototype works and it is being tested. And next here is how this is. So coming to the most interesting part of this video, what is the intention behind me making this video here is, I just want to bring out the beautiful framework and the culture that is followed in SNS institutions, and I'm very proud to say that I'm a part of it. So here, to build one's backbone, we need certain things to be followed. So the first framework I'm very happy to share about is the 3P culture. So first one is purpose, process, and people. So how these 3Ps work here? It ensures that every step is intentional, every method is refined, and every person is valued. It is not only about the faculty, it is mainly to the students, how we guide them, how we refine them, how we want the outcome to be a better person with a process mindset, a progress mindset, and a people mindset person. And I'm very happy to share here that when I've been a part of the first year faculty, I was guided by my heads or my institution that I should have one complete intention in my thought. How am I going to guide my children? The first thing is I have to grow a very positive attitude that would guide them with a good leadership skill. And next one is logical mindset. I have to give them a mind to set themselves with logical thoughts, that is with clarity. And next one is to have a collaborative mind skill and learn themselves with a technical skills day to day, which is needed for their endures in the future. And I'm very happy to say about the 5 pillar that we follow in our institutions, that is learn, upskill, and innovate, network. So what are the things how we are learning it? So through learning we have innovative learning skills that we intake or we take it to the students, and upskilling each and every student by knowing their skills professionally and personally, their likes and dislikes. And we would like to we are giving them the best out of innovations, the best classrooms, the best technologies, and everything is considered best in their views. And next one is the networks. Networks is the connections that they get from the cohesive communities, like having connections with LinkedIn and professionally growing them, and their journey gains further stability, and it gives them the growing mindset or knowing the mindset of their future. And next one is the spine. I'm very happy to be a part of this spine because everybody will think that I have to be have environment where innovations is being dwelling. So here I would say that I'm a part of this institution. I'm very next to the spine building, and I'm very happy to guide my students whenever I take them. They are very enthusiastic to see their college with so much of infrastructures. So here the spine's complete intention is to give the students a good health, and they have to maintain good hobbies, and how they should grow a sports mindset. And along with that we are providing them 18 clubs where they can grow with their likes and skills. So that's how the framework of culture and the SNS institution is being built. And here The next thing is that we learn, even as a teacher. Even I'm coming from an English background, I'm just to be a literature background. Here my college is very initiative, or they want a teacher not only from any sectors. They want to know only this, only that. But my college is very preferred about how a teacher should be innovative. So here I'm very happy to say that we have so many innovative hubs where we are used with Gen AI platforms, and we teachers are trained to uplift our teaching methodologies with the purpose of AIs, with the help of AIs. And even we are also doing so many certification courses where we are been building our resumes. So it has been an part of my growth, where it is building me each and every day. And next one is the OKR. So the smart OKR's complete intention is focusing on the measurable success of mine each and every day. And I'm very happy to be a part of it, because the excellence that I get after doing this OKR task is something mind blowing and outstanding. It was simply to say that I was hesitant to present a paper somewhere, or to publish a paper. But when this task, I get a sportsman mindset, where I'm allowed to where I'm given time to make myself a better person. And I'm growing personally, and and silently. That is the main intention behind this OKR task. I'm very happy about it. And achieving excellence as a standard faculty person, standard learned person, that is the complete mission behind it. And the mission of 10,000 startups, which is the complete intention of our institution. I'm very happy to be a part of it. And I have seen so many students from my own classes, my own mentees, when they say that, ma'am, we have entrepreneur mindsets. And I'm very happy to know about it, or I'm very happy to learn from them. And when they share their innovative ideas, I'm very proud to be their teacher. And next is growth mindset is fueling the learning bugs every day. So I'm very happy about it. And what is the thing that I'm going to learn here completely? What I have learned is, I got a clarity, or I came out of chaotic situations to the creative, or the creations of extraordinary growth. And design thinking and AI is really embodying my growth in an extreme level of flourishments. And here the SNS RoadMap, a story of progression and achievement. Thank you so much. And in SNS RoadMap isn't just a documentation, it is a moment. It calls every faculty to design, discover, and deliver education that touches life, in a journey where I am creating a new world of learning. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you all.